When you're working with sheet metal design in Creo Parametric, you can quickly see a preview of your flat pattern by turning on the Flat Pattern Preview from the Graphics toolbar. Notice that the preview window contains its own graphics toolbar. You can toggle the bounding box display to see the overall dimensions of the flat pattern's bounding box. This way, you can quickly monitor the flat pattern size as you progress through your design. Click Flat Pattern Preview again to toggle off its display. A quick look at the model tree confirms that the preview did not create a feature in the part. It's simply a display that can be toggled on and off as necessary. A flat pattern feature unbends your entire part just like an unbend feature does, only the flat pattern feature is always automatically located at the end of the model tree. Start the Flat Pattern tool from the Bends group and your model will automatically be flattened about the default fixed surface highlighted in green. You can select another fixed surface to change the orientation of the flat pattern. Notice that when you create a flange feature, it's automatically inserted before the flat pattern feature. When the new feature is completed, the flat pattern will be resumed. This flat pattern feature behavior enables you to create a flat pattern early in the design process so that you can simultaneously create and detail your sheet metal designs.